Hello again, Worthington Juniors. This is your MCA review all about expected value. Expected value is a discrete random variable of a discrete random variable is equal to the mean of that random variable. So anytime we really are being asked to find expected value, we're really looking for the mean, the average, what's expected to happen. To do that, to find expected value, this is expected value, that's going to equal the mean. We have to remember that the mean is equal, when we're talking about a probability distribution, to x times p of x. X is each individual entry, p of x is the probability of that entry happening, of that random variable. So again, x is that numerical value assigned to an outcome, and p of x is the probability of that occurrence. Now, something that you might need to remember is how to find probability if we're given some kind of frequency distribution. We can find probability that something might occur by taking part out of whole, or in this case, by taking the frequency divided by the total sample size or population size. So probability, if you're not given probability, because remember all probabilities should be between 0 and 1, if you're not given those probabilities, you're going to have to find them. And to do that, we take part out of whole, frequency divided by n, which is the sample size. Okay, let's give this a try. It says, during a 1-year selling period, which is 225 days, a sales representative made between 0 and 9 sales per day, as shown in the table. If this pattern continues, what is the expected value for the number of sales per day for the sales representative? So we need to look at the whole table here. Let me try making it a little bit bigger. Okay, here we go. We have number of sales. So on any given day, he either made 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 sales. So we're wondering, what is the expected value? What is he expected to do? How much is he expecting to sell? And what happens is he sold 0, 25 days, he sold 1 item, 48 days, 2, 160. All of these frequencies are not probabilities, so how would we find the expected value? What do we expect for him to sell? Well, to do that, let's remember our formulas. We're going to need to take the summation of x times p of x. So here's our x column, but we need to find p of x. How do we find p of x? Again, p of x, that probability is a part out of a whole, the frequency divided by the total. So notice for 0 sales, 25 days is how often that occurred. Well, what is the total? How many total days was he selling? Well, that was 225, or if you add up all the frequencies, we should find that if we add up the frequencies, we again get 225. That's the total. So we're going to take the part divided by the total. 25 divided by 225, which is 0.1111. And then if we take 48 divided by 225, we get 0.223 or 0.2133. 60 divided by 225, 0.2667, and so on and so forth. We keep dividing out of 225. So we found all of our probabilities. So the probability that he sold, let's say, 3 items in a given day is 0.2, or a 20% chance. Now, if we want to find the expected value, we're going to need to take x, that numerical value, the actual number of sales, times the probability that he sold those amount of items. So if we take 0 times 0.111, we get 0. 1 times 0.2133 is 0.2133. 2 times 2.677 is 0.5333. 3 times 0.2 is 0.6. So notice we took x times p of x and found the multiplication. So each one was multiplied over. Okay, so now to find this expected value, which is the same as the mean, we're going to need to add up x times p of x, which happens to be 2.44. So in this case, the expected expected value equaled the mean, which equaled 2.44, because that was the summation of x times p of x. Remember, summation means add it all up. So you're supposed to take every x value, multiply it by its probability, and add it all up to get your mean, which is the same as the expected value, and we are done. That is expected value. That's all you need to know. Good luck.